Welcome to Introduction to Continuous Integration. I'm Ben Lambert and I'll be your instructor for this course. The goal of this course is to introduce you to continuous integration, also called CI. We'll take a look at what CI is and why it's useful. I'll introduce you to Vagrant and VirtualBox for setting up a development environment. I'll introduce you to version control with Git and GitHub. I'll provide a brief introduction to testing, specifically what tests are run as part of the CI process. I'll cover database schema changes and the challenge that they pose. And I'll wrap up with an introduction to Jenkins, a continuous integration server. For this course, I'm assuming that you have either development or operations experience. However, I'm also assuming that you're new to the concept of continuous integration. So we won't go into too much detail for this course. Again, the goal is to introduce you to the concepts around continuous integration. My expectations of you are that by the end of this course, you'll know at least the following. First, you'll know what continuous integration is. Next, you'll know why creating a development environment that mirrors production can reduce the potential for bugs. You'll know what version control is, and you'll recognize some of the Git commands. You'll know some of the tests that should be included in the CI process. You'll know the challenge posed by schema changes. And finally, you'll know some of the things that Jenkins can do. Now, before we get started, I want to mention that in the settings for the video player, you can adjust the speed to your liking. I like to use 2x so I can watch through a video during my lunch break. So play around and find the speed that's right for you. Okay, if you're ready, let's get started.